Director-producer na si Toby Tarroza may pasabog tungkol kina Francis M. at Pia Magalona. Totoo nga bang hindi ikinasal sa Pilipinas? Pasabog ang revelasyon ng direktor at dating actor-model na si Robby Tarroza na may kaugnayan sa yumaong master rapper na si Francis Magalona at sa asawa nitong si Pia Magalona. Hot topic ngayon ng mga netizens ang Facebook post ni Robby na isa ring concert producer tungkol sa paglantad ng babaeng nakarelasyon umano ni Francis M. at sa naging anak nila. Hanggang ngayon ay mainit pa ring pinag-uusapan sa apat na sulok ng kasyubisan at sa social media ang pag-amin ni Abigail Rait sa Pinoy Pawn Star vlog ni Boss Toyo na naging magjowa sila noon ni Francis M. Kasabay nito ang pagpapakilala niya sa anak nila ng pumanaw na TV host aktor na si Gail Francesca na umaming balak din niyang umanong pumasok sa mundo ng showbiz. Ayon kay Robby, personal niyang nakakatsikahan si Francis noong nabubuhay pa ito at sa kanyang nakakalokang Facebook post ay nabanggit nga niya na hindi raw kasal sa Pilipinas ang actor, TV host at si Pia. Wala kasi tayong divorce sa Pilipinas. But even with kasal, ang tanong, was Kiko married to Pia? No, she was married to another guy with last name Lim and they had a son, Nicolo, and daughter Una. Who many of us knew this? Ani ni Robby. Pagpapatuloy pa niya, okay mga palangga na mga magaganda at pogi. Here is my Francis Magaloni story. I met Francis through Larry Scott, my album producer then in 1992. We ran into Francis at a recording studio owned by Jose Marie Gonzalez, father of both Ana Margarita Gonzalez and Cristina Gonzalez Romualdez. Right away, Kiko, Francis, and I hit it off. He always went out of his way to say hi to me. A few years later, my ex and I started producing major concerts in the Philippines and Japan. In 1999, if I'm not mistaken, we produced a concert tour for Kiko. Unfortunately, it wasn't a profitable tour and Kiko knew it. This is why he said to me, Rob, part of the construction of my house is Cottonwood Heights subdivision in Antipolo was from you. I will always be grateful for your help. So life went on and we rarely see each other. But when we did, super kwentuhan kami for hours. Francis loved me and show it every time we got together. May utang na loob yun. So fast forward to 2007, if I'm not mistaken, I ran into Kiko in Makati. He looked so fresh and glowing. We talked a little about his marijuana possession case, then he invited me to go smoke cigars somewhere in Wilson in Green Hills. Pagbabahagi ni Robby. Pagpapatuloy pa ng producer na ikwento sa kanya ni Francis ang tungkol sa kanila ni Pia at ng isang babaeng nakarelasyon umano nito noon. A few months later, we met again and he mentioned he was with another woman. Francis and I kept in touch and I vowed to keep everything between us. I never had the chance to meet this girl he loves so much. Maybe one day I will. Both her and Francis love child. Yes, love child because she was conceived by real love. Francis wants the world to know about her. I'm sure he does. So for all you judgmental people that did not know the real story, Francis and Pia were already separated before he got into this amazing relationship. He deserved to experience real love at least once in his lifetime. I knew them both, Pia and Francis. I know Kiko is watching all this and he knows what he wants for his children. All his children. Di ba mga kababayan ko? Ang mahabang kwento ni Robby about Francis M. May mga bumatikos din kay Robby at nakiusap na wag nang makisawsaw sa issue dahil hindi raw ito nakakatulong sa problema ng pamilya ni Francis. Pero marami rin ang nagpasalamat sa dating aktor dahil naliwanagan daw sila sa kontrobersya.